Hi folks, I'm Rod with Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. Really happy to be able to show you this new arrival. You know, we are really the headquarters for adventure vans in the northwest of the United States, and we carry just about anything you can imagine in that category. This is a new arrival for us. This is the new Tiffin GH1. We just started with this product. We're real excited about it. They do a great job. Of course, it's on the 144 wheelbase Sprinter chassis, the new all-wheel drive chassis, with the 2-liter double turbocharged engine. So it's got a lot of power, a lot of torque, and very good fuel efficiency for an all-wheel drive vehicle. As you come around, you'll see it's got a nice running board. It's got a full length Girard awning. This is also equipped with the Starlink system already. So that's really nice to have that in place. Many people are going with the Starlink for their communication. After all, you're going off the beaten path. It's kind of nice to have it. This has got a terrific floor plan, very good use of the space inside. Of course, you have the two front seats, which they turn around, they become part of your living area. And right behind them, you have a nice double seat here with shoulder straps for 2 people. Also, it expands, so you can separate them a little bit, give a little more space to the adult passengers you might have with you. Great for 2 kids or adolescents, just the way it sits. So. But boy, talk about terrific floor space. Come on in, Dustin. This is Dustin behind the camera. He's helping out today. Dustin Allen. You can call and ask for either one of us if you have questions. But you might recognize the floor plan. It's a very well put together situation. You've got a nice galley here. I love the way this is here. This new counter extender is just terrific. And here you've got this plate comes off and gives you your counters, and then you have your induction stove top, so you can pull it out and use it when you need it. It's not just taking up space all the time. Refrigerator is nice and convenient to the outside as well as the inside. And as you scan back, you'll see the bedroom area. The bed is in the down position. I'm going to walk around to the back. So just with the push of a button, this bed system goes clear up in the ceiling, which opens up all this area as a garage, so any kind of gear you want to take with you, you can do it in this vehicle. Lithium power system. It's got it all, folks. It's just a beautiful setup, and like I say, we're excited to have the new Tiffin line here at the store in Sandy. So give us a call, either Rod, myself, or Dustin behind the camera. We'd love to help you with any questions you have about it. We're at 503-668-5400.